Welcome to our tutorial on building a dynamic and interactive star rating component in React using TypeScript. In today's digital era, user experience is key, and interactive components like star ratings significantly enhance engagement. Imagine browsing an e-commerce site or a course review platform. The star rating system is often a decisive factor in making informed decisions. Our session today will delve into creating a visually appealing and interactive star rating component with smooth animations, custom hover effects, incremental feedback, and real-time state updates. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement these components using modern technologies to create enhanced user interfaces. Before we dive into the code, let's briefly explore the theoretical foundation of what we're about to build. React is a robust JavaScript library favored for its component-based architecture, making it ideal for building dynamic user interfaces. TypeScript, on the other hand, adds a layer of type safety, ensuring our code is more robust and less error-prone. Now, the star rating component is more than just a set of stars. It's a graphical representation that captures user feedback efficiently. Each star represents a level of satisfaction or rating, typically on a scale of 1 to 5. What makes a star rating component dynamic and interactive is its ability to respond to user interactions in real time. This involves hover effects, click events, and visual changes. The smooth animation effects ensure a seamless transition as users hover over or click on the stars, enhancing the visual appeal. Hover effects can include color changes or scaling to indicate which star is being interacted with. Incremental feedback is crucial as it provides immediate visual responses, helping users understand their selection better. Real-time state updates, powered by React State Management, ensure that the component reflects the user's selection instantly, making the interaction feel natural and intuitive. Now, let's look at an example of how to implement this in code. We'll focus on the star rating component, which is the core of our star rating system. We'll use React and TypeScript along with styled components for styling. The component will handle user interactions, manage the state, and apply animations for hover and click effects. In the code, we define a functional component star rating that takes the total stars as a prop. We use the useState hook to manage the rating and hover states. The component renders a series of stars, each represented by a styled span. The star color changes based on whether it is filled, indicating the current rating or hover state. We add event handlers for on-mouse enter, on-mouse leave, and on-click to manage interactions. The styling is handled using styled components, where we define the star container and star styles. Stars have a default color and change to a highlighted color when filled. They also have a smooth transition effect for color and transform, adding a scaling effect on hover. This implementation not only makes the component visually appealing, but also enhances the user interaction experience significantly. Let's walk through the functionality of our star rating component. As a user interacts with the component, they can hover over the stars, which triggers the hover effect. The stars scale slightly, providing visual feedback that enhances interactivity. When a star is clicked, the component updates to reflect the user's rating selection. The stars up to the selected rating change color, reinforcing the choice made. This immediate visual feedback helps users feel confident in their selection. Furthermore, if the user decides to change their rating, they can simply hover over the stars again, and the component will reset the hover state, allowing them to make a new selection. This dynamic behavior ensures that the component is both intuitive and responsive, providing a smooth user experience. To sum up, we've explored the creation of a dynamic and interactive star rating component using React and TypeScript. We've seen how smooth animations, custom hover effects, incremental feedback, and real-time state updates can significantly enhance the user interface experience. By implementing these features, we can make our applications not only functional, but also engaging and user-friendly. As you continue to build and refine your projects, consider how these techniques can be applied to other components to improve the overall user experience. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this session has provided valuable insights into building interactive UI components. Happy coding!